Hello class, for this lab, all I need you to do is open up a Excel sheet or Google Docs. It doesn't matter, either one of those will be fine. And this is what I need you to do. So once you enter the data set, I need you to put your name here. So it doesn't matter where you put it, I just want to be able to see your name. And then all I need you to do is enter the following value. So let's enter two columns with the following numbers. So let's put 2 here, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 3, a 4, 2, and 1. And then I need you to follow the following command. So technically, you don't need to highlight it, but let me just highlight it so that it's clear what it's doing. And what we're gonna do here is a command that is typically called the drag command, and we're gonna need that in chapter 3. So you typically do an operation, and the whole idea is that whatever operation is done by this specific cell, it's gonna be actually carried down into the other cells. So this is what I need you to do. Enter the numbers and then follow the following commands. So you're gonna say equals, and then simply put parentheses, and you have to click so that it memorizes the software, the actual cells, that number plus this number. Now you're not typing it in, you're just clicking. You can type it in C4 and D4, and then just put divided by 2. So that's just the formula that we're going to be using later, and then hit enter. Please run it in your actual Excel or Google Sheet and see if the command is the same. And notice that I have the parentheses. If you don't put the parentheses on the correct position, it's going to do something else. Now, what I want you to try next is the drag command. So basically, I need you to drag it. And let me just redo and do that. So once you enter the actual formula, all you have to do is drag it. And that's actually it. So the picture that you're submitting, I want you to do this. So basically submit a picture, and I want you to double click on the last cell, which is this cell here. And there I can see that the formula was actually retrieved from above. So the picture that you're submitting, it's basically this one. In order to get that formula, you just double click on the values of the 1.5 and the formula gets activated. So that's the picture that you're submitting for this lab.